All right, guys, we've got the YiLFo hair clippers for men. This is a professional hair clippers kit, beard trimming kit. You can even trim body hair with this. Let's unbox this and see what we're working with here. So first thing I want to say, it's a very high quality, sturdy, durable case that it comes in. So it's going to be great for storage. Or, you know, a lot of times I review so many products. One of the things I look for with the casing that it comes in is 9.5 times out of 10. If it's got a nice case, that typically means the product is pretty good. I love the way the packaging is. It's letting me know they really put a lot of detail into this. So these are very sturdy clippers, dude. This is like commercial grade. Wow. This is really nice. Okay, dude. And they're wireless. You got the charger there. We've got the place to charge it. You just plug that in at the bottom there. So we've got the big clippers. This is the big hair clippers. And then this is like body and beard clipper right here. Wow, dude. These things, I mean, these are like sturdy handles with nice grips. I mean, they sound good, but they feel good in your hand. I mean, these are the kind of clippers you expect a barber to have. Wow, these are very nice. Everything's nicely packaged. We've got all of our accessories right in the bottom here. Just going to go through all of these so you can see what we're working with. We have a couple of the clipper attachments. This is the 1.5 millimeter or 1/16 inch. This is the 4.5 millimeter or 3/16 of an inch. You've got your lubricant for the motors in both of these. Also got a couple more attachments. Gonna check those out here. All right, and we've got the 1 millimeter. We've got the 3 millimeter. And we've got the 2 millimeter. And these are going to be for the smaller clippers. Wow, and then we have actual, like, legit high quality barber scissors right here. That's really cool. And those have like a really cool color. Look at that. Gold and black. Like, I'm thinking like this is a very cool vibe. You work with these like potentially commercially, or you just use them at home. Like, these are a great vibe, dude. 10 millimeter or 3/8 of an inch. And then we've got 6 millimeter or 1/4 of an inch. And then the last one right here, the last couple. So you got a lot of different attachments here, dude. This is very cool. We've got another 3 millimeter or 1/8 of an inch. And then we've got a big one. We've got the 13 millimeter or 1/2 inch. So this is the biggest one, the highest one. And then, okay, and then we've got the charger for it. And there's 2 of them. So this is one of them. All the charger does, it just plugs right in to the bottom of the clipper, and the other end plugs into a USB port. That's what I love about the newer stuff. You don't have to plug it into an outlet. You can if you want. You can just plug it into a USB adapter. But there's 2 different attachments. They both just plug in at the bottom there, and they're good to go. You have to get your hands on these to understand how sturdy these things are. There's the adjustment up and down there. And I mean, dude, these things are nice. What I'm going to do now is actually just... Wow, okay. I'm just clipping some hair off my arm so you guys can see. Look at that, dude. I barely even did it. And that hair is completely off that area of my arm. I barely even touched it. Like, this thing is extremely responsive, extremely powerful. Without a doubt, this is commercial grade. And if you're looking for something like this, based on the number I'm seeing on the screen there, the fact that you're getting 2 of these are both like super sturdy, durable units. You're getting 2 of these for the number on the screen with all the different attachments. Dude, this is a no-brainer.